Meaning of hard court.
Hard court.
Hard court.
Hard court.
Hard court. A hard court is a type of tennis court surface made of asphalt or concrete and covered with acrylic to create a smooth playing area. It is one of the most common surfaces used in professional tennis tournaments. The term hard refers to the court's firmness, which creates a fast-paced game style with low bounces. Players who excel on hard courts generally have a powerful serve and aggressive playing style. Many important tournaments such as the US Open and the Australian Open are played on hard courts, making it a critical surface for professional players to master.